I tried so many businesses. Some have failed, some had success. And after 20 years, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ako sa pagnenegosyo. I've been in business, in public service for quite some time now. Nakita ko yung sarili ko sa inyo 20 years ago when I was starting. Patagalan, hindi ito pabilisan. Maraming challenges, maraming problema. Pero ang pinaka-importante, hindi yung mararating mong success, kundi yung gano'ng karaming beses ka tumayo in spite of all the challenges and all the problems. Hindi naman matatapos ang problema eh. Tuloy-tuloy lang yan. Until now, I encounter a lot of problems, challenges, pero lagi kong pinipili yung mahirap. Lagi kong tinuturo yan na I always choose yung hard route. Kasi I believe that the obstacle is the way. Kung saan yung may obstacle, saan yung may pagsubok, doon may growth. Doon may matututunan, doon magbabago ang buhay mo.